And welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will run BinBotPro in old-fashioned way, live. If you like this type of videos, make sure you push the subscribe button and the like button. Below this video you find a link to BinBotPro. You need $250 minimum to get started. So, which robot to try this time? I think one of my subscribers did say Risma Cross, so let's just try that one just for fun for this video. Let's push run. Let's go to here. Then we need to wait for a trade to occur. This is a currency trade. He's doing euro against Australian dollar. Let's see if we can find that one here. There. He did put a put. Right now we are in the money. We are set to earn almost $100. So let's see how we do. So this time around I have only been using two robots. I only tried this one as a subscriber did mention this one. I have been using the number 4 and number 3. That's the two robots. Till now I lost one time, but the same day I lost this one trade, I got two winners after, so I did turn a small profit. Because my rules are as following: if I lose 3 times in a row, I stop. When I turn profit, I stop. And I don't trade under any type of news. So let's see now how we are doing. Right now we are deep in the money. Like I said, we are set to earn almost $100. It's $94, $95-ish we're going to earn with this trade. So my target this time around, I will go for 100,000. If I will stop at 100,000, I'm not 100% sure. Last time around I got cold feet. I did almost reach my target. I think I was just one trade away to reach 100,000, and I lost 3 in a row. Yeah, so I came down to 60,000. I got cold feet. I think it was 64, 65,000, and I just did withdraw and I did stop. Then I did take a small break for like a couple of weeks. And then I started again, and this time around I started with the minimum, because I understand many start with the minimum, $250. Not everyone jump in with $1,000 like I did. So this time around I started with the minimum. Of course, a little boring in the start when you start with minimum, because you are making like $20 days and things. It's not so much fun. But now start to be a little cooler as you're starting to reach levels of close to $100, and soon will be $100 plus, and then start to be a little more fun to make this type of videos. So let's stop this one. We don't need to take 2 trades. I have done this mistakes many times, and we don't want to do 2 trades. I need to keep to my rules: 1 trade and out. So we are done in 5 minutes. Okay, so that's the thing. Like I said, this time around I'm not going to stop. We are going to reach 100,000 this time around. And maybe I take a little farther also, because I think when you reach 100,000, then will quite be fun. Like 10%, let's say, it's actually not 10, will be like, maybe we make like 8,000 or something like that on one trade. That would be quite amazing. So let's see now. We are still deep in the money. Yeah, we are still deep in the money. We have more 4 or 5 minutes left. Also last time around I did it maybe a little complicated. I did run my own, you can see up in the corner there, I run my own MACD bot. I was very successful with that, but I understand it's a little more difficult to copy my success if you want to try. So with that, I found it. This time around I was only going to use these robots, and like I said, I've been using number 4 and number 3. So let's see. Now How are we doing? We're getting closer to the strike price. We don't like that. We have more 3 minutes left. So let's see. Sofia, jeg avbryter boys. Jeg passer video går at It's my daughter. She wants me to help her to open something. I'm just telling her just need to finalize this this video. It's not like I can repeat this, because when we start a trade, I can't stop our video. So let's wait and see. We are deep in the money. We need to wait more 2-ish minutes. So now let's see. So yeah, I think we did now run the risk course. Maybe I will add that to the list, because it looks like it's a successful trade. So thanks to my subscriber about that. Maybe all of them are good for all I know, but I have the tendency to work with what I try. Last time around I did also have this thing that I wanted to run something that I understand. But I don't, as long as I make money, I don't need to understand it this time around. This time around, I want to make it simple. Pure simple. Just so anyone can copy my success if they feel for. But you need to think yourself, you never go in with money you're not willing to lose, because yes, you can lose it. If you push this run button, you forget about it. You might lose all your money. That's the reality. That's why you will never see me push this and come back tomorrow and think that I have $1 million here. If it was that simple, I would have done it. So don't do that. Don't do that. Put money that you're willing to lose. That's the way you need to see it. So now let's go back. We are deep in the money. Just 1 minute left actually. So we're getting very, very close. We can follow here from now on. Yes, now it's any second we are done. It looks like we are getting a winner. So let's we can calculate how much we're going to earn, because I think we already can calculate that now. Let's see. Our investment is 157. Our win are, we can say 252. 252. We are making $95 on this trade actually. That's pretty darn good. Okay, now we're getting close to the closing time here now. I don't know what's going on with this no movement. There, we got it. Okay, cool. I don't care. We got a winner, so I'm happy with that. Then our new balance is, let's go up a little, 1,668, and we made $95. So with that, have a perfect day.